In 1774, a bridge was built over the Yantra River in Tarnovo. For the first time, the two parts of this medieval city were connected, the fortresses of Tsarevets and Trapezitsa. The bridge is located next to Tarnovo's bishopric, and construction for this crossing was financed by the bishops of Tarnovo as well, so today it goes by the name Bishop's Bridge. This bridge remained the only crossing of the Yantra River until 1935. At the eastern edge of the bridge, you can see the guardhouses, whose towers in the past housed the guards and the customs officers. As this was the only bridge connecting the towns of Veliko and the nearby village of Arbanassi, traders were constantly crossing. Using the storerooms below the guardhouse, customs officers could store their fees, paid in barter by the tradesmen. These days, the guardians of the bridge are much friendlier, and probably a lot cuter. Though the guards and customs officers are long gone, there is one medieval tradition at the bridge that persists today. Every year on January 6, religious leaders cross the bridge above, while excited youth wait in anticipation below. The Holy Cross is tossed from the bridge into the freezing Yantra River below, and young men scramble to catch it. According to Bulgarian Orthodox tradition, the young man that catches the cross will be blessed with perfect health throughout the rest of the year.